Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Pathan, and today we are going to discuss numericals on EMF, electromotive force. So it is an important topic, EMF in electrochemistry, and numericals also important for competitives like NEET, JEE and other aims, KSET like that. And few examples I am going to explain today. Let me start. Calculate EMF of the following cell. Iron bar, iron 2 plus, salt bridge, tin 2 plus, bar tin. Means iron is in iron sulfate solution and tin is in tin solution. Iron solution concentration 0.6 molar, tin solution concentration 0.2 molar. E naught of iron bar, iron 2 plus given minus 0.44 volt. E naught of tin 2 plus tin given plus 0.14 volt. So, standard electrode potentials of iron and tin given, concentration given, two solutions, EMF we have to calculate. Very easy. So you know the formula according to Nernst equation. According to Nernst equation, how to calculate EMF? E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N log of product concentration upon reactant concentration. This formula we know already. Nernst equation formula. From this, what the terms we need? Let me see. Concentration we need, E naught cell we need. But they didn't give an E naught cell. So first we have to calculate. So concentration also given here, iron and tin solution. E naught we have to calculate first. E naught cell equal to formula. E cathode, that is E naught cathode minus E naught anode. That implies E naught cathode how much? 0.44. So minus cathode, 0.14. 0.14 minus anode. Anode how much? Oxidation. Anode means oxidation. Cathode means reduction. Minus 0.44. So which you have to take anode, which you have to take cathode means where oxidation takes place, that is anode, where reduction takes place, that is cathode. Now E naught cell equal to, so if you simplify this, you are getting plus 0.58 volt. Now we got E naught cell, concentrations are there, and remaining we have to substitute in the formula. Next, another thing you have to remember that N value. What is N value here? I am writing the cell equation. So cell equation given that iron and tin. So iron plus tin 2 plus giving rise to iron 2 plus tin. So what is N value? Change in the oxidation number. See here, iron to iron plus 2 means 2 electrons. Here tin to tin. So N value equal to 2. So N value is there. E naught cell value is there, concentrations are there. So directly we have to substitute in the formula, given formula. So substitution you will get in the easily total value. So this is the formula I given already. In this you have to substitute all values. That implies E cell equal to E naught cell. E naught cell how much? 0.58 minus 0.0591 upon n value how much? 2. Now only we calculated. Log of product concentration. Which is the product here? Iron 2 plus. Iron 2 plus value how much? 0.6. 0.6 upon reactant concentration. Which is the reactant? Tin 2 plus. Tin 2 plus value how much? 0.2. 0.2. So substitution is completed. Now simplification we have to do. So simplification you have to take care. You should not make any mistake. Go for here. 0.058 minus 0.0591 by 2. So you are getting how much value? 0.02955 you are getting. Log. See here. These ones are, these threes are. So how much you are getting? Log 3. Log 3 value you are getting. You know log 3 value already. Log 3 equal to 0.477. So remember log values 1 to 10. Clear? This is log value. Now substitute here. What you are getting? If you substitute 0.58 minus 0.02955 into log 3, 0.477. If you simplify this value, you are getting 0.58 minus this 2 you have to multiply. First you have to multiply. So multiplication you are getting 0.01409. So now you have to subtract. If you subtract this value, you are getting 0.566 volt. So this is EMF. Now E cell nothing but EMF 0.566 volt. So this is whenever they didn't given E naught cell, first you have to calculate E naught cell. E naught cell equal to E naught minus E naught cathode minus E naught anode. This formula also you have to remember. So finally you got the EMF of the given cell. So very important model this is, and you have to remember. Clear? Let me go another model. So another model problem we have here to practice clearly. Let me go. Another model I am going to explain. See here, another problem is given here. The standard EMF of the cell we have to calculate. Standard EMF of the cell. Zinc plus copper 2 plus ions giving rise to copper plus zinc 2 plus. Standard EMF value 1.1 volt, means EMF value they only given, that is standard this volt concentration they given. Now EMF of the cell when this concentration of Cu2 plus and this concentration of Zn2 plus. So already EMF given, that is at standard condition, but 0.1 m copper 2 plus 0.1 m Zn2 plus concentration, at that concentration we have to calculate. So standard condition they given and given condition we have to calculate. Very easy problem. Very easy. So one more time I am explaining. At standard condition EMF is given already. And at given condition we have to calculate. We have to calculate. Let we go. You know very well. E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N log of product concentration upon reactant concentration. Product means this concentration, reactant means this concentration. This concentration, this is a solid. Solid concentration always 1. Remember, solid electrodes are there na, their concentration always 1. That's why we are not taking. So formula is ready. Here product is zinc 2 plus and reactant is copper 2 plus. Copper 2 plus. Clear? Now substitute the values. E cell equal to E naught cell. E naught cell they are given already. So E cell we have to calculate. E naught cell value how much? That implies 1.1 minus 0.0591 upon N. See N, change in the oxidation number. How much? 2. So N value 2. So zinc 2 plus 2 electrons. Copper 2 plus 2 copper 2 electrons. So N value 2. So you can substitute directly here 2. And log product concentration. Which is the product? Zinc 2 plus. Zinc 2 plus concentration how much given? 0.1. 0.1. So 0.1 upon and copper 2 plus 0.1. So both are having same concentration. So that implies 1.1 minus 0.0591 by 2. In last problem we calculated already the value. How much that is? 0.02955. So that value I am taking here. 0.02955. This is one you are getting and this will be get cancelled. Finally you are getting E cell equal to, that is EMF of the cell equal to, and this if you are taking subtraction from this you are getting 1.07 volt. This is EMF of the cell at given condition. So like this you can solve the problem easily. This is another problem. Let me see another model. Go for here. I have few more models. That is problem number 3. So problem number 3 is given here. Electrode potential of standard electrode potential. Copper 2 plus copper 0.34 volt. And standard electrode potential of zinc 2 plus bar zinc is given minus 0.76 volt. And the Daniell cell, this is the Daniell cell, copper and zinc, contains concentration given 0.1 molar zinc sulfate, 0.01 molar copper sulfate, and the electrodes. Then we have to calculate EMF of the cell. So EMF calculation is very easy. Let me calculate EMF of the cell. Look here. So equation first we have to write. Daniell cell equation. Copper 2 plus zinc giving rise to zinc 2 plus, zinc always oxidation, copper reduction in Daniell cell. Clear? Now concentrations given. How much concentration? 0.01 zinc sulfate. zinc 0.01. So 0.1, zinc how much? 0.01. 0.01. Sorry. Zinc given here 0.1. So 0.1 molar concentration. Copper how much given? 0.01 molar concentration. So we got concentration. Now we need N value. See here how N, Zn2 plus, sorry, Cu2 plus 2 Cu means 2 electrons are changed. 2 electrons are changed. So concentration we got and N value we got. N value we got. So E naught values also they given here. E naught values. But in the Nernst equation we have the formula E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N log of product concentration upon reactant concentration. But E naught cell not given. So first you have to calculate E naught cell. E naught cell equal to, already we previously calculated, E naught cathode minus E naught anode. E naught cathode minus E naught anode. That implies cathode value how much given? Cathode means you have to remember reduction. Anode means oxidation. Oxidation means loss of electron. See here, zinc lost electrons. So oxidation, anode. This is copper. Copper gain electron. That's why that is converted into. So you have to substitute the values. 0.34 minus 0 minus of 0.76. This is. So this is cathode. This is anode. That implies how much you are getting? 1.1 volt. So E naught cell we calculated. Now substitute all the given values in the formula. So I am substituting the values. E cell equal to E naught cell 1.1 minus 0.0591 upon N. N value 2 log product concentration, which is product Zn2 plus. Zn2 plus value how much? Concentration is given. How much concentration? 0.1. 0.1. So 0.1 upon 0.01. And this is. And if you simplify this, 1.1 minus this already we did 0.02955 log 0.1 by 0.01. How much you are getting? 10. So log 10. That implies, so if you simplify this, how much you are getting? E cell equal to 1.07 volt. Log 10 value, log 10 value 1. Already you know. Log 10 value 1. So previous problem, this problem same only. What is the difference in that? In that they didn't give an E naught cell, we calculated. In this problem, they given directly and we are substituted directly and we got E cell value. E cell. And this is the another model we have in NCERT. Let me go for another numerical which is given previously for NEET. See here the problem, previous year problem this is. Now I am going to explain this. The cell zinc to Zn2 plus 1 molar concentration, copper plus 2 to copper 1 molar concentration. E naught cell is 1.1. In previous problem also we got same. Was allowed to completely discharged. Means complete discharge takes place at 298 Kelvin. The relative concentrations of Zn2 plus 2 Cu2 plus ratio we have to calculate. So electrode potentials not given. The relative concentrations of these two we have to calculate. One tricky problem actually this is. Let me discuss this problem. And we know the formula E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N log of product concentration upon reactant concentration. This is according to Nernst equation. And now the given what we have to discuss. So E naught value given already, E naught cell value. So equation you have to write first. Zn plus Cu2 plus giving rise to Zn2 plus zinc always oxidation and copper reduction. What is the N value? N equal to 2. 2 electrons changed na? N equal to 2. And E cell we have to calculate. E cell equal to E cathode minus E anode. That is equal to E cathode how much given? This is 1 molar given. 1 molar. And this is 1 molar. 1 minus 1 that equal to 0. E cell value 0. E cell value 0. Clear? E cell value not E naught cell. E cell. E cell value. So if E cell value is given, and we have to compare now. And E naught cell also they only given. Substitute now all the values. E cell equal to, E cell how much? 0 equal to E naught cell. E naught cell how much given? 1.1 minus 0.0591 upon N. N value how much? 2. Log of product concentration, reactant concentration not given. That ratio only we have to show. So what is the product? Zinc 2 plus concentration upon copper 2 plus concentration. This concentration only, relative concentrations of these two only we have to calculate. Some differently given. Go for now. These terms I am sending to left side. Am I right? Log zinc concentration upon copper concentration. Clear? Equal to this you have to cross multiply 2 into 1.1 means if you are sending this total term to left side, this will give to right side. So 2 into 1.1 upon 0.0591. Am I right? Now log terms are there here. Log terms. So that implies log, we can write differently. Zn 2 plus upon copper 2 plus equal to, if you simplify this, you are getting 37.3. Simplify this, you are getting 37.3. So now log Zn2 plus upon Cu2 plus, you are getting 37.3 value. And this is the value actually we got. But the options are given 9.65 into 10 to the power of 4, antilog of 24.08. So this we didn't got this to 37.3, 10 power 37.3. So they asked Zn 2 plus by Cu 2 plus, not log. That's why we need now only Zn 2 plus concentration upon Cu 2 plus concentration equal to this. You are getting log na, that side. This we have to write into 10 power, simplified. 10 power 37.3. This is the value. So if they given in terms of log Zn 2 plus concentration upon copper concentration, copper equal to 37.3. But they asked in terms of only concentration, not log terms. So if you send that side, it is antilog you are getting. So the antilog nothing but 10 power. We have to write 10 power 37.3. And this is the concentration terms when compare zinc 2 plus and copper 2 plus. So very important problem, and previous year given this type of questions. Generally previous year questions and some little bit they are giving that tricky, not directly. So like these models, if you solve, and it will be benefitable for you. So still any problems you need, based on this you watch these numericals and you are getting the clarity. Clear? And was simply watching 2 minutes 3 minutes, you will not get the concepts. So watch complete video and then easy to you. So in electrochemistry, from the beginning up to this EMF Nernst equation, all videos are available, and go to my channel and you will get a lot of information. If you like this concept, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. If you need materials, go to my Telegram channel. Telegram channel name is PCMB Material, Physics, Chemistry, Maths, Bio. PCMB Materials. There lot of materials with the different institutions, top institution materials are available, and you will be benefitable both competitives and PUC. Thank you. Be safe at